Hello everyone, I am Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Inc. Limited, Marketing Director Angela. Today I will show you two new folding boxes we have newly made. This one is a customer from Central Asia, and he wants a whole set of paper bags and boxes, a customized solution. It is used to hold his bedding, and the color matching was also recommended by us. We did a full hot stamping logo process, and inside it will be accompanied by a set of cards. There will be some on the card, requirements for washing the bedding, and user instructions. And here's a piece of copy paper, the bedding used to wrap him. This can also be customized after packaging on the top, like this. A non-stick sticker will be attached, and stick it in the middle, and then talk about the brand's tone. Currently, this kind of packaging on the market, a packaging solution for a set, is very popular. And we also have very strong suppliers. All kinds of copy paper can be made, no stickers, and even ribbons. Bow. It's convenient for customers to pack at home. He only needs the finished product. He just needs to put the ribbon directly to the box. After packing on the ribbon, a logo can also be customized on it. So our factory, not only a supplier of boxes, but also help customers with the whole solution, an expert. So if there is any demand, we can find the right one for you, a packaging solution, which can save you time and energy. One other than your product knows more about packaging, a leader who knows the plan better.